Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Today we are planning in my Hobonichi A6 and for the 7th week. Decorating and writing my plans in this, and I'll show you how I do it. Before we get started, I want to show you something really cool that I designed, and we will be adding that to my shop next week. And they are the planner tabs. For those who don't know, I do design these tabs for all your planners like this. This is the cotton candy, and then we do have the gradient color, and then other designs like Mimi head sticking out. So then what you do is that when you peel it, you kind of stick one side to your planner and the other side stick to the other side, other side of the page. So that's how it sticks together. The exciting news is I'll be introducing laminated tabs. So here is the laminated sheets. So it's protective from any damages like pen mark and then here we also have the regular mat. This is what I have, and I've been using this for a year. And obviously if you be really rough with it, stuff it in your backpack or your purse or your bag, then yes, it will get damaged. But I've been using this for a year and it still looks brand new. But then I'll have an option where you can choose lamination. Notes, yearly, monthly, weekly. These are bonus tabs I included in these monthly tab sheets. So I'm super excited for you guys to try out. Let me know, and let's get back to our planning. So here I am using Tombow blue marker to put some dot on the left sidebar, and here will be listing out all the important information that I need to know. For instance, right here I am writing down Hobonichi order. Yes, it's very important, so I definitely need to write that as a reminder that it's coming soon, but it's already here now, so I'm super happy. So I'm just jotting out another section 2, and then the next point is the declutter, and after that is audiobook. And I'm currently listening the Fourth Wing audiobook. Have you guys ever read or listened to that book before? Apparently it's very popular, so I'm listening to that right now. I actually have to return today. I haven't finished it. I think I have 4 more hours left. I don't think I can finish it. So here I am setting up my Monday. Here I'm just writing out all my meals at the very top, and that's how I keep track of that. And then at the very top I keep track of things that as a reminder, things that are renewing, things that I need to keep an eye on in the first day. Next, I start writing mindfulness. And for those who don't know, I've been trying to do more journaling and be more mindful. And then I was looking for some special sticker to put next, and I looked into my sticker binder, which I made a video about how I organize my sticker. If you'd like to watch that, check out the link in my description. And then after that I start writing other things that are important to me by just writing it out. Then the next part is that I have to remember to bring the bins back because it's Monday. That's when they do trash and boring adult that I have to do. Next, I found a very cute sticker, and this is Mimi vacuuming, and I put that perfect for this part. And here I did reuse the same Tombow marker I used earlier. I'm just putting some dots around the Mimi sticker and give some pop of colors, and it looks really nice. And so for the final part, I go back to my sidebar. I'm starting to do a habit tracker in my A6, and this is how I do it. Just write down the habits and use the same marker coloring in for marking off. I'm trying out a new filming setup. It was a little bit difficult because of how the camera is set up. It's okay right now for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye planner friends.